Now you might well recognise that black cabinet as the base for my router table that I was recently given. Now I've fitted the router table inside the WorkMATE, and therefore I no longer need this black base. But rather than throw it away, I'm going to repurpose it. But before I do that, there's a drawer in it which I know I'm not going to need when I repurpose the base. Now you can see that this drawer has a lid, and that's going to make it ideal to repurpose as a little cupboard under my WorkMATE. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove the features that I don't need, such as these bolts and this handle. This drawer cupboard thing is quite well made. It's a parallelogram in shape, so it's wider at the bottom than it is at the top, and I need to just trim it a little bit so that it'll actually fit on the step of the WorkMATE. And I've tried getting the nails out that hold the bottom on, and I just can't do it. So I'm going to trim it with the nails in place, and hopefully it looks like the blade will miss the pins completely. In a small workshop like mine, anything like this that you can do to increase storage at no cost in terms of footprint is a bonus. So this is a great upgrade to my WorkMATE. It doesn't get in the way, but it holds all the accessories for the router table.